I'm Kayla.
And I'm Cameron. Nice to meet you.
哎，体验一下，把它说出来，哇，要拔丝的。
Amazing.
Yeah, I'm excited. 哎，我教你啊，把它切成菱形口啊。对，这样一下，哇，
Said it. Okay. Now, crazy hot, this stove. It's like a volcano, and the batter's super thick, and they puff up like chips when they fry.
挺棒。
This is the first time that I've ever cooked this before though. So the batter is so interesting and so sticky. I have long nails, so it gets like under my nails. So I have to be really careful and clean it really well.
OK， 好了。
This is all my
再
hard
继续
work.
炸，再要继续炸。
Yeah, it's getting deeper and deeper.
Fantastic, yes.
Good technique. Oh, and it smells great too.
Wow. So you can see all of the sugar coming off, but they're so sweet.
Yeah, it's really good. It tastes like a dessert.
I like eggs and I like sugar, but
Seems like a weird combination.
uh-huh.